So students, let's start our class. Good morning, everyone. Here we are with demonstrative adjective. Yesterday we had completed up to this topic, which was little and few we had completed. Adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, adjective of number. And today we will start demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Read these sentences. This bike is Rahul's. You can see this. This is a word which is telling about whose bike is this. And what is that thing? This is telling. I can see that mango tree. It tells us which mango tree. Understand? The word this and that are adjectives since they describe about bike and tree respectively. The word this point out which bike is Rahul's. The word that point out which mango tree I can see. Understand? This and that are demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative means pointing out. Understand? More about demonstrative adjective, as you can see here, this, these, that, those are used for far away, this, these for near thing, that, this are used for singular, these, those and these for plural numbers. A demonstrative adjective is usually placed before the noun it qualifies. You can see this demonstrative and book is noun. This, that, these, those are also used for demonstrative adjective. Now, underline the demonstrative adjective. This is exercise. Here we have to underline the demonstrative adjective. Who can tell me the right answer? Here you can see who gave you this book. As you can see, yes, Srishti. What is the answer?
Ma'am, the answer will be who gave you this book. The
Exactly.
demonstrative adjective will be this.
This. Here demonstrative adjective you can see is this. Such a fantastic match it was. So here demonstrative adjective is
Such.
no. It.
Okay.
It is an adjective which is telling about that. Next question.
Ma'am, the answer will be that.
Wait. In second question, you are telling that such a fantastic match it was. So here, such and it, both are adjectives because they are demonstrating about the match. Understand? Next is Paul lives in that house. So the answer is yes. The answer is that. Those boys are my friends. Here answer is those.
Those.
I have seen that movie, that. Such kids are loved by all. Your answer is such. Did you join that school? That. Very good. I hope that you all had completed this exercise. Move to the next exercise. Rewrite the following sentences by changing the words printed in bold. So here some words are printed in bold as you can see on your screen. Rahul wants that pen. Here, that pen is written in bold. So what we have to do, rewrite the following sentence by changing the words written. We have to change the word, this word into plural form. Yes, Srishti.
Ma'am, Rahul wants that pen.
That pen is already written. You have to change the form. They change the number. This is singular, that pen. You have to change into plural. Yes, Parth, what will be the answer?
Ma'am, pens. That pens. Rahul want that pens.
That के साथ पेंस लगेगा. Seriously. जब कोई चीज बहुत दूर होती है, something is far from us, and we have to indicate that, then we will say that pens. This is not the right answer. Understand? We have to say
These pens.
Where we have to use these. These we have to use when something is near to us. Understand? And that means something is far from us. Something is far from us. That's why we are using that. So in place of that, there will be those pens. Are understood? Next question I will ask to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Rohan wants those pens. Next question. Meeta was looking for this book. This book. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, these book.
Yes, not book, books. Meeta was looking for these books. I got this dress from the market. In place of this, क्या होगा? This will change into which word?
Ma'am, from.
Ma'am, these.
Yes, these dresses. These will change into these, sorry, that will change into those, and this will change into these. Understand? For making them plural. Such a beautiful picture. It's very simple. Yes, Parth. Such a beautiful picture. What will be the answer?
Ma'am, such एक second. Such a beautiful picture. Such the beautiful picture.
Parth,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Such a beautiful pictures. Picture है ना? Picture means एक picture. Here is written picture. So many pictures. I don't want this bag. Answer is Parth. I don't want these bags. Next exercise, rewrite the following sentences by changing the words printed in bold to singular form. Make other change. Here you have to make them into singular. I want this bangle. I want this bangle. I have read that book. Understand? Let me complete 2 questions for you. Rest of the questions you have to do. I want that bangle. This is singular. I have read that book. I have been to those buildings. Those will change into that building. I hope that you all have written, and rest of the questions you all have. The next exercise, fill in the blanks with correct options from the bracket. As you can see, dash garden is so lovely. This or these. Which is the right answer? Tell me.
Ma'am, this.
Yes. Answer is.
Ma'am, this.
Answer is. Dash boys study in my class.
Ma'am, those. Ma'am, those.
Yes, very good. Rest of the questions you all have to do. These hoga ki those. Pia has what? These or these.
Ma'am, this.
This bag.
Ma'am, this.
Okay. 2 questions you all have to do by yourself. Move to the next adjective, which is interrogative adjective. What animal is that? Whose book are you reading? Which dress you want? The word what, whose, and which are adjective, since they describe animal, book, and dress respectively. Understand? So what, whose, which. ये सब क्या है? These are interrogative adjectives. The definition is given here, which you all have to write on your notebook. Possessive adjective. My. It tells about whose book is this. They sold their house. There, it tells us about whose house is this. My and there are adjective. My tells us that the book belongs to me or possessed. So students, move to the exercise. Here the definition of possessive adjective is also given, which you all have to write and you have to learn. You have to write on your grammar note. Move to the exercise J. Underline the interrogative adjective and circle the possessive adjective. We have to circle the possessive adjective and underline the interrogative. Children, open page 15 on your English book. So here, which is possessive and which is interrogative? Who can tell me? Tell me. Okay, let me tell you that your is possessive adjective. Understand? There is no interrogative adjective. Whose book are lying on the table? Interrogative adjective or possessive adjective? And which is?
Ma'am, whose?
Yes. Whose is interrogative adjective. So underline it. Understand? इसी तरह से next two all three questions you all have to do. Rest of the question. Pick the adjective in the following story and mention their type. So here you have to pick up the adjectives. ये आपको खुद करना है. You have to do by yourself. So students, move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with adjective that means the same as. Here you can see full of happiness, which means
Ma'am, happy.
yes,
Happy.
yes, yes, happy. Happy. I will not write the answer. You can write it by yourself. Happy. Happy. Understand? Full of color.
Colorful.
Yes, it's colorful. Full of color. Colorful. Liked by many. Yes, popular. Without fear.
Fearless.
Fearless. Made of gold. Golden. Made of gold means golden. Understand? Let me write the answers also. So it would be helpful for you all. Full of happiness is
Happy.
very good. Happy. 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 Y is already written there, ma'am. Full of color is colorful.
Color. Full.
Colorful. Yes, it's colorful. Liked by many is
Popular.
popular. Yes. So O is written. Sorry. Pular. I forgot to write L. R is already written there. Popular. Without fear.
Fearless.
Yes. Parth, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Some kind of weird sound is coming from your side, which is disturbing the class. Made of gold is Srishti. Made of gold is golden. Next is full of kindness.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
kind.
kind. Kind.
I will write here. यार यहाँ पे adjust करना मुश्किल है. Kind. Full of doubt.
Doubtful.
Yes.
Ma'am, doubtful.
Doubtful. Full of interest.
Ma'am, interesting.
Interesting. Without home.
Ma'am, homeless. Ma'am, homeless.
Yes. Full of courage.
Ma'am, courageous.
Courage. Courageous. I have that you all have written. Move to the next chapter, which is adjective degree. 5 minutes more, no? Pratyanshu,
Ma'am, in 9th chapter.
so students, as you can see, we are in chapter 10 now, adjective degrees of comparison. Our syllabus is up to articles, which we have to complete today. Adjective of comparisons. As you can see here, adjective of comparisons means you can see Ajay is short, he is tall, and this is taller. Vijay is tall and Rajesh is taller. Ajay is tall, Vijay is taller than Ajay. Rajesh is tallest of three. You can see here. Here the words tall, taller, and tallest are adjectives. Okay. There are 3 degrees of comparison. कितनी degrees होती है? 3 degrees होती है. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive. Let's study about positive degree. What is positive degree? Positive degrees are Veena is young. The box is green. These are normal sentences. They are positive degrees of adjective. Comparative degrees क्या होते हैं? Which are comparing between two. Juhi is younger than Reena. The red box is larger than green box. These are comparing between two, and that's why they are comparative degree. Superlative degree means most. मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा. Neeta is the youngest of all sisters. The black box is largest of all the boxes in the house, in my house. You have to write this, remember, on your notebook. What is positive, comparative, and superlative? Actually, this is definition which is written here in this box. You have to write this. Formation of the comparative and superlative. How to form comparative and superlative? In case of most adjective, we add er and est to the positive degree to form the comparative and superlative degree respectively. As you can see, positive, near, comparative is nearer, and superlative is nearest. Young, younger, youngest. In case of adjective ending in e or add r and st of the form comparative and superlative. Here you can see positive, comparative, and superlative. Fine, finer, finest. Noble, nobler, noblest. In the form of adjective ending in y consonant. Consonant plus y, we can change y into ier. जब consonant और y से last में end होता है adjective, then हमें y को replace करके उसकी जगह ier add करना पड़ता है in comparative degree. As you can see, heavy, heavier, and heaviest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. For small words with single consonant at the end, we double the consonant. जब कोई सिंगल वर्ड होता है तो हम डबल कर देते हैं कॉन्सोनेंट को. यू कैन सी बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट, sad, sadder, saddest. For some adjectives we use more and most along with Here you can see some exceptional adjectives in which we have to use more and more, like more interesting is positive degree, comparative is more interesting, and superlative is most interesting. These are some of the words in which we have to use more and most for comparative and superlative. Some adjectives do not follow these rules. कुछ ऐसे adjectives होते हैं जो ये सब rule को follow ही नहीं करते हैं. They are different in positive, different in comparative, and again different in superlative, as you can see here. Understand? We have to learn all these degrees. Understand? Exercise A. Write the comparative and superlative degree in the following adjective. You can see here. Here you have to write the comparative and superlative degree. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. Tall, taller, tallest, wide, wider, widest, bright, brighter, brightest. I hope you all can do this exercise. Using the degree of comparison. How to use degree of comparison? As you can see, it can be used when we are suggesting that two persons are things or things are equal in certain aspects. Meena is as tall as Gauri. When someone are same, then we have to use as dash as. The girl is as innocent as lamb. When we are comparing with someone, but they are equally. Okay, understand? Here you can see the boy is as naughty as the monkey. Sachin is as bright as his father. Jyoti is as busy as we. Rest of the questions you all have to do by yourself. Next, using the following hints, write the sentence in comparative degree. So here you have to, using the following hint, how to use comparative degree. Aeroplane is bigger than a helicopter. So here you can see Suhana is intelligent than Tia. Tanu is prettier than Swati. Suhana is more intelligent than Tia. Tanu is prettier than Swati. Air journey is more comfortable than train journey. Gold is more expensive than silver. Today is warmer than yesterday. Understand? Superlative degree. Here you just have to write, use the superlative degree. Like Suhana is tallest girl in the class. We are comparing with everyone. Whatever is, whoever is. Like blue whale is largest animal on the earth. Mount Everest is highest peak in the world. Venus is hottest planet in the solar system. Himani is brightest girl in our class. Jyoti is best singer in the school. Read the following and answer the questions. So students, will complete this exercise. Okay, yes, we will complete this exercise in our next class. Understand? So up to here, complete this, like all these exercises which I told you. If you have any doubt, just write it down and tell me in next class. Okay, students?